Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. The problem number 97, how to do it by using AutoCAD software. So a pentagonal lamina of size 25 mm is having a side on both HP and VP. The surface of the lamina is inclined at an angle of 60 degrees with HP. Draw the top and front views of the lamina. So to do this, so first we'll go for, this is the actual final solution. So we have to transform this drawing, how the procedure to do this problem by using AutoCAD software. So first we go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So here the command is limits, then specify lower left corner by default 0, 0, enter upper right corner 297, 210. This is the sheet size of A4. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point on the AutoCAD screen on the lower left corner and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side, take some distance and click again on the first button of the mouse and you take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and again you click on the first button of the mouse and just press enter key. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side and again go to offset, take the distance as 210, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends, then zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet, select this line and this line. So again you select between these two and you select between these two. Then we are going to get a layer command. So click on new layer, type the layer by name XY, enter. Again click on new, type the layer by name front view, enter. Click on new, again type the layer by name top view. So we are going to get only these 4 layers. So layer 0 will contain the projector lines. So all the projector lines will have the line weight as 0.05 and click on OK. Again the XY line will going to have 0.13. So select 0.13 and say OK. The front view will going to have the line weight as 0.5. Click on OK. And the top view will going to have a layer line weight as 0.5 and say OK. Then the top view will be having the red color, magenta color. You just click on that and select that magenta color and say OK. And the front view will going to have the blue color. You just click on blue and say OK. So now you close the layer command dialog box. Now first we are going to draw the pentagon of 25 mm sides on this position. So you just go to polygon. So by default the number of sides is 4. You just take 5 and take the edge option. Select some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the diagonal side and take distance as 25. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line here of any convenient distance. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, so take INT of this and take perpendicular to this and go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. And then go to fillet between this line and this line, again between these two lines. Then go to break this line, take first point, take intersection of this and say shift at the rate. Then enter. Select this entire thing and go to layer command, change that layer to front view and similarly escape and you click on this line, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then you make the line weight display visible. Then again you take this drawing to the second position. So to do that I will go for copy command, select objects, you select this entire thing by selecting by window. Again take base point, select some base point and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and then enter. Now once you do that, so the angle is at 60 degrees. So now we need to rotate this. So go to rotate, again select these things by window, again go to specify base point, you take end point of this What is the rotation angle? Rotation angle is 60 degree in counterclockwise direction. So counterclockwise direction is positive, so type 60. Then we need to project from here down. Again project from A and E. Similarly from B dash and D dash, and similarly from C dash. So to do that, so come down to line, take endpoint of this, draw a vertical line, then go to line, take intersection point of this, and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take intersection point of this, and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly line, take endpoint, move the cursor from here, go to the next position on the same line, you click on this and draw a vertical line, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly line, take endpoint of this and draw vertical line. Similarly line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this. Once you do that, now we need to join all these things by continuous line. So to do that, go to line, take intersection of this and then intersection of this, then intersection of this, then intersection of this, then intersection of this. Once you do that, then go to zoom window. Now we need to break this line till here, and also as we want this, so you break this line till here and you break this line till here. So to do that, so you just go to break, BR, select this line, take first point, take intersection point of this and say at the rate, enter. Similarly break first point, INT of this and say at the rate, enter. Similarly break first point, take intersection of this and say at the rate and say at the rate and enter. Now you select these 5 lines and make this layer as top view. Then go to zoom previous, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw one horizontal line. Now then you need to copy this and rotate in clockwise direction. So go to copy, select this entire thing by window, then you select this and copy it to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this entire thing, rotate in clockwise direction, because if you rotate in clockwise then only this side will going to become to the right side. So you can see here, you can get it like this, either by rotating or just by moving the mouse, so that you will going to get this position. Once you get this, then you move this, then go to move. Since we want to select the entire thing again, so type P, previous, select the objects entire, go to the intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. So then again move, select objects previous, then move it wherever you want. Then go to erase, erase this line, then go to line, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. Then from here you draw line on this side. Similarly line, intersection of this, and you draw on this side. So side is on both HP and VP, so obviously you are going to get that point directly. So again line, INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, INT of this and draw one horizontal line, and similarly line, you extend this line from here to this point. Then go to fillet between this line and also between these two lines. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and take INT of this take intersection point of this, take intersection point of this, and take int of this. Then select these 5 lines, 4 lines, and make this layer as front view. Once you do that, now the problem is over. Now we need to do all the dimensioning and text. So you just click on this side, and you click on this line and make that layer as XY, and all the other lines will going to be the projector lines, which will be of 0.05. Now to do the dimensioning, so I will go for DDIM, then go to modify. So primary units, make the linear dimension as 0, then go to text, take the text height as 3, then align with the dimension line, centered, text placement above, then offset from the dimension line as 3, then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and go to lines, offset from the origin as 3. Then say OK, and then say close. Now we go for dim, take intersection point of this, and take int of this. So you're going to get 25 mm. Then go to angular, select between these two. So you're going to get it as 60 degrees. So this is how you'll be able to do the dimensioning. Now we need to write the D text. So to write the D text, go to DT, select this point, take the height as 3, rotation angle as 0, and type X, and this is VP, and this is HP, and here this is Y. Once you do that, now you switch off the caps lock, type A, B, and C, here D, here E, similarly A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash. Once you do that, then you just go to move, switch off the ortho mode. So you move X, you move VP, you move HP, and you move A, you move E, you move B, XC, and D. Similarly, you take A dash, take E dash, you take B dash, you take D dash, you take C dash. Then you select this entire thing and then go to layer, make this as front view. Similarly, HP, and take all these 5 A, B, C, D, E. Then go to layer, make that layer as top view. So once you do that, now you just copy this here. So take A dash, and you take B dash, and here you take C dash. Then we have D dash, and then you have E dash. Then you have A, and this A has to be copied here. Then B, and that B will come here, and then C, that C will come here, then D, that D will be here, and it will come here, and similarly E, that E will be here, and you will go to get here. So once you do that, then go to D text. So here you mark this as A dash, you mark this as B dash, you mark this as C dash, this as D dash, and this as E dash. And go to move this A dash, E dash, move this Y, D dash, C dash, and B dash. So then go to select on this, and mark that layer as front view. Once you do that, then go to dim TED, select this and drag this here. So this is how you will be able to get this drawing. And now, so this solution, then go to zoom window, you take this and this are exactly similar, and we need not have to show the project directions of projections, not required. So this is how you will be able to get the final solution by using, you can draw by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.